How to find your wallet address in Bitamp. First of all, open any type of browser on your phone and go to bitamp.com, or else if you are in the correct area, you can install the app and log into your account as well. Once you do that, to change your wallet address or to find your wallet address, you can see the option of receive. Just go ahead and tap on receive once, and you can scroll a bit down and you can see this is your address. So you can just go ahead and see the address over here. You'll be given some addresses, or else if you can see that there is something of a barcode, you can just go ahead and copy this code over here, screenshot the barcode and send it to your friends or family who are going to send you money. So guys, this is how easy it is to find your wallet address on the Bitamp. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well.